Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a quick DIY for you, and this is going to be the first of a few of my baby shower decor that I will need for decorations, and I want to share that with you guys because I know someone had mentioned that before, that they can't wait to see the things that I'm creating for the baby shower. So this is the first thing that I'm going to create because our theme is a king. So everything is going to be pretty much royal. So we're going to have gold and white, blue, and teal. This project is going to be a stand. Oh, there's a fly. It's going to be a stand, and it's somewhat like a pedestal. I have 2 lions that I hauled from Ross, and I will share them with you. I'll show you what it looks like. And I want to display 2 lions on each side of the table. So I'm going to create a pedestal, and I want to share that with you guys in case you decide you want to create a small one for a centerpiece, or if you want to create it for your home, you can. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Like the video and decide to join our family, hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber. Okay, on this channel we do a lot of inexpensive DIYs that are absolutely beautiful. I try my best to only do things that I would love to have in my home. So I hope that you will like it and check out some of my other videos and decide you want to recreate some of them. It gives me great pleasure that what I'm doing, you're enjoying, and you're desiring to recreate it for your home as well. With that said, what you'll need for this project is I have some Dollar Tree cardboards, and you will need 6 of them. I'm missing one. You will need 6 of them, and the reason why, I would like to have one on the top and one on the bottom. You will need to have beads. And you can choose whatever color. I'm going with the pearly beads only because I need the white, and I'm already using the gold stone for the base of the pedestal. You will need glue sticks, glue gun, your scissors. You definitely need pencil because you will have to trace out the size. I just basically use the plate and trace it out. I don't know what measurement is a plate, so whatever plate you decide to use, I'm using the entree plate, and we'll get started. Alright, I'll be right back. Guys, I wanted to go ahead and get the lions so I can show you. Isn't that gorgeous? I found these lions, I got 2 of them from Ross, and they are $8.99. So I thought that was wonderful, perfect for our theme. So I wanted to get that for you and share it with you. I'm going to separate my cardboard. I want to lay some glue down, and be generous with your glue because remember, this is going to be the top. And I wanted to do this in an elegant way, but also inexpensive. Make sure all the sides of your cardboard lines up properly. Alright, I'm going to go ahead because I have a lot to do, and I forgot to mention, guys, that you will need spray paint. So guys, after I've glued it on, I wanted something that is going to be smooth. So I went ahead and cut out 2 pieces of foam, and I am going to take them all the way around. So I'm laying my glue, I hope you can see that, and zigzagging. So I will have top and bottom of glue to lay my foam on. I decided I wanted the foam because the foam would definitely make it look much cleaner and neater. And like I said, this is for the baby shower. I want to make sure that it's close to perfection. I know everything won't be perfect, but I want to get to close as possible. And so I wanted to bring you guys in so you can see how I'm adding the foam. And I'm basically lining the foam to the edge of the cardboard. And I doubled the cardboard, so there is 5 pieces of cardboard attached for stability so that it would be solid. And so it's going to look like that. And it's no big deal, even though you can still see a little gap here. I will add some diamond wrap, or even cover the top. I'm not sure yet. We'll see as we go along. All right, I'm going to continue to do this, and I will be right back. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and take out just a small portion of the center where my stick is going to sit, and so I can glue it in. Do not take out a lot because you don't want it to go into the top. I just want to make sure the stick has somewhere to sit snug. Okay, so we're just basically taking out about 2 layers. And then we'll leave the rest. Let's see. I'll take just a little bit more, just to get a little bit more of the center out for the glue to sit. I'm going to go ahead, spray paint the pole, the top and the bottom, and come back to show you just before I add all the beads. So I have taken out the center of that. I think that's pretty good, just like that. All right, I'll be back. I did the top, and now I'm going on the side. Lay your glue down in the center. Stretch, go close to the diamond wrap onto the side. I would say get really close to the diamond wrap. Continue. My glue is acting funny. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this up. Just wanted to bring you in so you can see where I am so far with this tabletop. So I'm finished with that, and now I want to measure my beads and go ahead and hang and start gluing from the back. I want to share that with you before I move on. So lay the glue down and lay your beads down. Be generous with the glue because remember, this will have to stand up. So you want it to stick very well. And I'm going to possibly do about, I want to say 3 fingers. No, let's do 2 fingers away. So we'll do 2 fingers and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so I am skipping every other joint of the stones, and so I wanted to bring you in to share how I'm achieving that. So I just lay the glue down, take the beads and hold it in place, and this is pretty sturdy, but I would say if you want to keep this around for a while, go ahead and add your E6000. I will add E6000 on the base only because I do not want for someone to knock it over. The lion, they are breakable, you know, they're ceramic, so I don't want it to be broken if someone accidentally knock it over. So I do want for this pedestal to be sturdy. So once you have held it in place and your glue is dry, then it will look just like this. And I have a few more to go. I'm going to finish it up and then I will put it all together so you can see. But I wanted to bring you in so you can see where I am so far. Hi guys, I forgot that I had these cylinders and they are really tall and I'm able to insert some lights on the inside. So even though I went with the pole originally, I decided that I prefer to go with the cylinder so I'm able to add the light. So I had to change my plan. Right now I'm holding it in place so that it can dry onto the cardboard top. I'm going to go ahead, put it together and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it turns out. I am glad that I decided to go with the glass cylinder. I think it looks great. If you like it, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I will see you on my next DIY.